Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change out the buttons here on the F series BMW. If you can see, mine are pretty worn out. It's supposed to be like a smaller looking fan like this one, but it's all chipped up. When you press it, your nail, if it's long, it'll hit it, or over time it'll wear out. All my other buttons seem fine. It looks like the ones I use more commonly, like the AC fan speed. See, this one's a little bit chipped, not too bad, but this one just looks like a white circle. So I found these on eBay, and then they're pretty cheap. They're about 15 bucks, I think, for both of them, and they look about right. So I'm gonna show you guys how to change out the button. It's actually pretty easy. You don't need any special tools, just like a plastic pry tool, like one of these. I wouldn't use anything else that's like a screwdriver or anything, because you don't want to ruin the button next to it. So what I like to do is you just kind of put in the gap between the two buttons and just pop it out. See, if you see, it's on by like these little holes here. And so you want to get the one that's matching to it. And let's see here, let's compare the ones I bought. They're about the same size. The one thing I noticed is that this one's the original one's wider than this one, so I'm thinking that's gonna cause an issue of it being a different color than the other ones. Yeah, you can kind of tell a little bit that's a little bit different. And like I said, I got this one on eBay. It was a pack of 2. It was about $15. I don't know if the dealer makes these by themselves. This could be a company that's just manufacturing replacement buttons. But the size, they look about the same size. You can tell like the difference, how I mentioned that the original one's wider. This is the original one, and this is the one I bought online on eBay. You can see it's a little bit darker. That's probably why it looks wider here. So let's see how it fits. So we should be able to just pop it back in. The buttons feel really good. It doesn't match, so that might bug me a little bit. We'll see how it looks like when the lights turn on. But while I'm here, might as well just do this side too, since it's not too bad. And like the same steps, let's pop it out. And another good thing also, while you have the button out, because the cup holder is right here, sometimes if you have coffee or Coke or any kind of drink and it shakes and it spills over, the buttons might get sticky or stuck. Now would be a good time with the ear swab to just kind of clean up a little bit. That happened to me the first time I took out the button. It was because it was stuck because of something like coffee or soda kind of went on there. So it was really hard, but now it's really smooth. I just cleaned it up a little bit. Just be careful, you don't want to put liquid in there, but dab it and you'll be able to kind of clean the surface up really good. So let's go ahead and put this one in there. Oops, make sure you nice and on. Zoom in so you guys can take a look. So it's not too bad. I mean, I figured maybe these being matching, it's not as bad as one button not matching. It was cheap enough, so I'll see how it looks like when the lights are on. Maybe I'll just buy these that are cheap enough so it just looks all the same. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it, because it does look a lot better than having the white chipped one. I guess I'd rather have it slightly off color than it looking chipped. Overall, I'm really happy with it for $15. Not bad. Solved the problem. I didn't have to take anything apart. At first, I thought I was going to have to take apart this whole thing and take out the faceplate from the back, but as you can see, no problem. Just
just popping them out. Make sure, like I said, make sure you use like a plastic pry tool. If you use a metal one, maybe if you don't have one of these around and you're gonna use a flathead, maybe put some tape on this side button here so that you don't scar it or damage it in any way. So maybe put some tape. That way you can pop it out. You don't ruin this one. Again, it's always good to have a plastic pry tool when you're, just having your toolbox. Let's see. I guess I won't know till it's at night whether. See if I can turn on the lights. So you can. They do look a little bit darker than the other ones. As you can see, it lights up more. So I don't know, maybe I might look on eBay, see if I can find one that has the white one. In the meantime, this video for more or less will be to show you guys how to replace it. Maybe I won't recommend this specific buyer that I got these from. I'll try to see if I can look online and find a better one. If you're not picky with it, I'll probably still post the link where I bought these from. If you're happy with it being like this, better than I've seen some that are pretty much half of this whole button is white. So I'm pretty sure this will be better than that. Thanks for watching my videos, commenting. Check out my Instagram page if you haven't followed me already. Thanks a lot for subscribing and showing support, commenting, and all the emails I get. Hope this video helped.